Rainy day, cold wind blowing. Silence is all I hear. Complete and total solitude, consumed by a heavy fear. If my heart had a life of its own, it would be screaming your name. I walk through the house and the tears are the only trace I claim. The rain against the window pane remembers our old song. There is nothing out there, and in here the emptiness is 10 times as long. You went away and left me drifting in the ocean of my lonely shore. Where are you now? Are you thinking about me anymore? I wish I could see you, touch you just once before I say goodbye. But I love you so much, I don't know if I could let you fly. Come back to me. Eliminate this heavy longing from my chest, and prove that everything I hold in memory is more than just a passing test. Our life is written now with salty tears from a sweet eye that weeps. This ache inside, it will not let me feel the happiness it keeps. Come back to me, I beg you, let my life be yours again. 'Cause only then will this love I feel eliminate the longing that I breathe like air, my friend. Every room is cold, every echo sounds like your voice. I'm stuck here in the silence, having lost my choice. The memories flood me, an unbearable constant wave. I whisper your name, though there's no one here to save. I can't bear this distance, this cruel, unending pain. Please make me whole again through the falling rain. I don't know how to let you go when my soul still aches for you. I'm running out of hope, I don't know what else to do. Just a second of your touch is all I need to see that everything we had was meant eternally. Come back to me. Eliminate this heavy longing from my chest, and prove that everything I hold in memory is more than just a passing test. Our life is written now with salty tears from a sweet eye that weeps. This ache inside,